Okay, last box for tonight. Big one. What do we got this time? I don't know. It's like a big gas tank, who knows? It's kind of heavy. Too much plastic, I can't tell what's in there yet. What do you think that is? I'm not a big fan of this crappy foam. I feel like a gas tank. Feels like a bunch of crap taped together. Yeah, it must be a case. Is there a hole right there? Yeah, it's a Sportster case. That's what that is. Why am I buying more Sportster crap? Damn. I had enough of that crap already. Obviously not. Definitely packed good. Alright, let's see what the hell we got here. Keep losing that rag. Pretty good. They put cardboard over the studs, protect the studs from coming out of the box. They pack stuff before, I can tell. Good packaging. An early one. It is unrepaired though. 60s case for sure. Piece of crap. Why did I buy that for? Yeah. I don't know why I bought that piece of junk. I was either blind as a bat or I needed it for something. So it's had a corner put on it. And this has been welded back on over here. Sportster, because I only got one hole for lifter blocks. It's a kickstart early bike. It's got these oil lines up here. It's got this style of a boss here. Plus it has the 4-bolt motor mount. What we had over here somewhere. Remember we bought that from a different guy? See, 4 holes. That works. Goes like that. Early one. Definitely no speedometer hole there no more. More welding. Lots of repair work on this case. This is a stroker motor. See, it's all cut out here. That was a stroker bike. Where the hell did I buy this thing for? I don't know. Some people will buy anything. What is that? It's got to be a 5, but it looks like a 6. It can't be a 6. It's got to be a 5. Looks like a 62 or 63. The spit trick. Can't read it too well. 62, 63. You got your casting date. Secret number's over here. There's your secret number right there. 64. If that's original. It always gets me how you got real light stamps, you got real heavy stamps after. And it always Easy means it's been redone as far as I'm concerned. It's easy what that means. It looks like the fonts and the sizes are correct. But these ones here are definitely a lot bolder than this one. Yeah. I don't know. It could be 64. It's an early number, 18. So if this is 63 over here, it could be a 64 case, because this could have been cast in a real late 63 and the machine's in 64. And the number's only 825 into the year, so it's a pretty low number. If they follow that number procedure, I'm not sure if they did that or not. But anyway, this thing's definitely a piece of crap. I don't know why about this. Hopefully I didn't pay much. I'm sure I didn't pay much for it. Otherwise I wouldn't have bid very much for something like this, but it's an early case, so you know, you always got to have early parts. These are what you make race bikes out of, junk like this. Because we don't care about the speedometer hole. That's actually a big improvement there. It's strong, but it's an early case. And I'm not too concerned about the generator, because I don't use a generator on a race bike, so that doesn't matter. Doesn't matter to me. So maybe I bought it for that reason. You never know. I'm always working on some plan for a future race project. Why would you ever have a race bike around this place? Can't think of one. But, oh well. So that's a 64 XL case. This takes the early style oil tank. Now, both of these fittings are heading off this way, like it was on an xlch bike that had the horseshoe tank in it, because the xlh bike had the tank over here. So you'd think these would be going more that direction. So who knows? But if I had to guess, it's probably on a CH bike. But there's no way of knowing, because that number's on the other case. But oh well. The machining looks pretty good. You put a cam cover in and see how good it fits. That tells you how good the machining is, because there's a dowel here and dowel here, and that's on the other side of the repair. So whatever welding rod they use, it's definitely a different color, so it's probably soft ass rod. See how this one is just same as the same color as the case. This is a harder welding rod. This is some other bubblegum crap they use, I don't know. The weld looks decent. The machine's good, so it's not bubblegum, but it's a different alloy. So it's probably 4043, and this is probably 5000 series, because it's the same color as the casting. But, alright, well there you go. Another Harley part. And this is how you stop oil leaks. Weld the hole up. No hole, no leak. That's how I do it on my bikes. Alright, there you go. 64 Sportster case.